Spring is finally here, my favorite time of year, and the first flowers to bloom are always the Bradford pear trees. It looks like snow on the branches. I love it. It was the first thing I noticed when I moved to Arkansas. I hope you enjoy these pictures. Sorry I don't have any music to play, but apparently I can't use YouTube music for a short that's over 30 seconds. They've changed the rules. So, no music until further notice. I had noticed it before, but we have a Bradford pear tree on the pond, so even the geese are enjoying the spring flowers.